So in this tutorial, we'll see if you have downloaded any project from the GitHub or any other website, how we can open that particular project and run the server and check the output of different function. Okay. So suppose I have downloaded this project activity 1. So first of all, see the structure of this particular project. What is the directory? It has activity 1, and inside that again it has activity 1. Means this project is created with the command Django admin start project activity 1, because it is having the outer project also and the inner project as well. So now what you will do, you will open this with the help of the VS Code editor. Open terminal. Check the path where we can run the server, where we have a manage.py file, and the manage.py file is within the activity 1. So I am inside project activity 1. I will have to go inside that folder as well, activity 1. So now I am in this folder, activity 1, see, where I have a manage.py file. So before you run the server, what you are supposed to do, this project is not having the virtual environment. If it has a virtual environment, first thing is what? You will activate the virtual environment. Next thing, whatever requirements are there, you will install that requirements. How do we install? We write pip install r, whatever name of the file they have given, you will write that name. Over here, it is req.txt. So all the requirements will be installed into your system. Next thing is what? Now run the server and check the output with the help of the command py manage.py.run server. This you should run from the folder which has a manage.py file. Okay. So let us see the output. I'm not getting any error, means we have done it successfully. Now let us see which functions they have created on what URLs. Okay. So first let us go within the project and check the urls.py file, whether they have defined the URLs within the project or application. So they have defined the URL within the application, and that application URL is attached on the home page. So let us go in the application wish and let us see the urls.py file of that particular application. Now the first function is attached on the home path, where what is the name of the function wish. So let us see that function as well. So this is a wish function which is doing what? It is taking your current date and time, and in the dictionary, name my dictionary, insert date, this is a key, and the value will be what? Today's date and time. Okay. So it has fetched today's date and time, and that you are passing in the HTML wish w.html, and you are passing this context as well. Okay. So over here, which HTML file it will render? Wish w.html. So on this HTML page, we have applied some CSS. We are showing hello server and today's date. Whatever you have given text over here, see, my dictionary is having insert date. Whenever you want to fetch value, we fetch with the help of the key. So what is the key for this? Insert date. So in double curly braces, we have written insert date, and that is why we got the output hello server and today's date and time. Now let us see where the second URL is attached. The second URL is on the result slash, which function is attached? Result. So you will come over here and you will see that function which is again fetching today's date and time, and plus we are passing some extra data in the result.html file. So where is that result.html file? Here. So that is showing what? It is showing you this sentence, plus it will show you date and the extra data that you are passing. So it is on which URL? Results. See, the output is visible over here. Now suppose this function, you go through the function and then you want to check the URL, you can do that as well. So this is a function. So you will see this function is attached to which URL? It is attached to the URL greet time. So you will go on the server, and after this you will write greet time, and you can see the output of that function. Okay, so I hope this is clear how to download the project, how to run the project, and how to link the URL and the functions. Okay, and how to see the template also. So this template, the output of this is attached on which template? Wishon.html. So this is an activity which will be, this is a small activity or the application which I will be doing in the next tutorial. Thank you. So now let me show you approach 2, how we can, so now let me show you approach 2. In the approach 1, what we have done, whatever project we have downloaded, we have directly installed all the requirements within the global system. But whenever we are downloading any project, what we should do, we should always create a virtual environment. So all the dependency will be installed in that virtual environment. So if you have downloaded a project, how we can create a virtual environment and start working with it, I will show you. And rest of the things, how to attach the URL with views and how to see the templates will be similar to approach 1 only. Okay. So let us open this with the help of the VS Code editor. First thing what you will do, you will create a virtual environment. Open the terminal. So what you will do, first you will create the virtual environment. What is the command to create the virtual environment? Whatever name you want to give, you can give. Wherever you want, you can create your virtual environment. If you have any doubt regarding the virtual environment, you can go through my previous tutorials where I have explained about the virtual environment in depth. Next thing is what? You will activate the virtual environment with the help of the command. Whatever dependencies are there, you will install in this virtual environment with the help of the command pip install r and the name of the text file. You will find some text file in that project. So whatever name is there of the text file will look like this way. Now I'm having only 4 dependency, but if you're downloading some project, it will have many dependencies. Okay, so like this way you will find some file, whatever name they have given, give the same name and click on enter. Then particular dependencies will be installed into your system. Once the dependency has been installed, now you can start working with your project. You will run the server, check the output and just check the directory where the URLs are defined, how the views are attached to the URL, and you will be able to work with that particular project. Everything remains step like the previous only. So all the steps over here are similar to what I have explained in the previous approach. So this is how you can download the project and you can start working with anyone's project. This video and you find this tutorials helpful, okay, kindly like and subscribe my channel. I will be coming with many more videos if you like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.